And this one, the patches, $3. And so cute. This is $6. They have gold and pink. The basket. So many to look at. Oh, Pokemon, they're $8. The bunny. Oh. And also the Spider-Man. Oh. And the Pikachu. Oh. I don't even know which one to look. Oh, that was a bit for Minecraft. Girls, Minecraft. My voice used to like the Minecraft. Later, grab and go. Oh, the coloring one, there are $1. Oh. I think the pouches. They're just so cute. The pouches, coin pouches. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, look. They are $5. Oh, look at that. It's really cute with this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. That is $5. Hello Kitty. $7. Oh, there's so many to look. $5. And the basket. $15. Are they all the same? Egg. Yeah, I think they're all the same. And then we go to Cute Bluey. They're $15. What comes with it? Crayon. Okay. Oh, this is in color. They're $5. Cup of Doodles. They're $6. And so many. And the Care Bears. Oh. And the princess. The basket. They're $6 now. $7. Okay, what is this? Order chicken. They are $12. Oh, the mushroom. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look, it is pretty. The Disney. Okay. Oh, look at that. These are $5. And I don't know the name. $5. Okay. Oh, there's the same. Oh, there's a nail. $5. 100 nail sticker. Scented. Oh. The bubble. This is $10. This comes with the gift set. Okay. What is this? Paw Patrol. Oh, the Care Bears. Look at the Care Bears. And how about this? And so they can do their own DIY. That's $3, and this is Care Bears. $10 accessory bundle. They have this. Oh, the Care Bears are coming back, and they have the nail art set. Okay, hold on, let me put this one back. Okay, put that one back. Oh, that's Zach design. Lorian. They're $3 keychain. Oh, this is so cute. They have the pink one, the yellow, they're $5. I think, and the green one. Yeah, I think they have 3 colors. The character clip, they're $5. They have there are so many. Oh, patch stickers also. Character topper pin. Ah, pencil.